Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print in Grayscale, otherwise known occasionally, sometimes used interchangeably as black and white in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the print dialog window like you normally would. So either tap the Control P key combination on your keyboard or tap the print icon up in the toolbar up at the top. And you want to select underneath color, click on the drop down and select black and white. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.